Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today, we're creating a Mediterranean power bowl that is packed with flavorful, clean ingredients and will leave you feeling energized and ready to conquer your day. Today, we're making a vegetarian version, but adding your favorite protein is always an option. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need my favorite ancient grain, farro, cherry tomatoes, cauliflower florets, olive oil, minced garlic, non-fat Greek yogurt, lemon juice, some lemon zest, fresh dill, baby kale, or your other fresh greens, garbanzo beans, and feta cheese. Okay foodies, let's get our ingredients ready. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees and prepare the farro as the package directs. Line a rimmed baking pan with parchment paper. In separate bowls, toss tomatoes and cauliflower with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, adding a dash of salt and pepper. Place your tomatoes and cauliflower to opposite sides of the pan in a single layer. Roast for 20 minutes or until the tomatoes are slightly charred and cauliflower is golden brown. Next, in a small bowl, combine your yogurt, garlic, lemon juice, lemon zest, dill, and a bit of salt and pepper. All right, our ingredients are prepared, so it's time to build our power bowls. Evenly divide the farro, kale, beans, feta cheese, tomatoes, and cauliflower, and add a dollop of yogurt for the finishing touch. I hope you enjoy these Mediterranean flavors as much as I do, and we'll catch you all next time for more Fresh Dish Foodie.